Hey guys, so apparently my Crock Rock finally arrived. It's supposed to arrive the next week, but apparently it decided to arrive today. So let's get started. So ordered this stuff from Mercado Libre 2 days ago. It was pretty surprising that it arrived really quickly. So let's see. Let's see. Oh, or wait. No, it's supposed to be this way. Okay. So. So. So yeah, it's kind of a little bit hard to open. See if I can open it still a little. Okay, so I can a little bit open it. So it's okay. Wow. Wow. So here he is. He's back pretty well. Okay, so here he is. Crock. So the probably. So but yeah. So the doesn't seem to have any battery corrosion. So I hope this one works with batteries. If it doesn't, we're gonna have to do an individual video. Oh wait. Wait, is it on or is it off? It's okay off. So to put it off, so it can okay, so. And you can see it's backwards, so I'm gonna have to press it here.
With the wheel in the night, under the sea. But why is everybody always taking on me? I don't want to go to the cooking pot, cause everybody's talking that way too hot. Under the water, under the sea, I wish that everybody would let me. Don't be needy your sons and your daughters. I just want to go back to the water.
So here's the second song.
I wanna go right now. Get into the water and put it back in the river. I wanna go to the water. Get into the river now and put me back in the water.
And as you can see, it's not the cursing one, but I'm still okay with him. So apparently, yeah, the head, it's broken, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But yeah, that's the Crock Rock unboxing. Hope you like it. So goodbye.